Okay, making a little clip to document my new method for separating the amaranth grain from the flower heads. In the past I dried them indoors, sometimes because of weather conditions demanded it, and then kind of rustle them up with my hands into a certain container, and then run them through a sifter, and then which is pretty rough on the hands, you got to wear gloves for that, it can be pokey, and then use either a fan or just blowing on like a pie dish to separate the fine chaff from the seeds. Now in this case I've just got a replacement screen, one of these guys. It was like $7, and I put that over a wheelbarrow. I read someone else had luck with this online. Maybe they strap it down or they use an actual frame, like an old window screen with a frame. But this seems to be working okay. So I'm just taking a flower head that's got mature seeds in it. I'm shaking it up here. I'm rubbing it a bunch. And as you can see, maybe you can't see, there are seeds falling out. And then mostly just the seeds are falling through this particular grain of screen, and a tiny bit of chaff down there, but a lot less than how I got inside. So I'm basically doing that, and I'm doing like wrestling in between my hands, shaking it up, and then moving this around, and the stuff falls through. So we'll see how that turns out, and I'll show you the end result.